5 essential vitamins for a healthy liver. Did you know your liver is one of the most powerful organs in your body? It works tirelessly to detoxify, aid digestion, and even help prevent diseases like cancer. But did you know that by including a few essential vitamins and minerals in your diet, you can significantly improve your liver's health? Welcome to NUTRIZEN. This video is created with expert consultation from a certified nutritionist and is intended for educational purposes only. Whether you're new here or a loyal supporter, thank you for being part of this health community. Let's explore 5 essential nutrients your liver needs to stay healthy and how you can get them naturally from food. What are antioxidants? Antioxidants are compounds that protect your liver by neutralizing harmful free radicals. When your liver breaks down toxins, free radicals are produced, which can damage liver cells. Antioxidants mop up these harmful molecules, allowing the liver to continue functioning properly. Number 1, beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant. Beta-carotene is a type of antioxidant found in colorful fruits and vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach. It's converted into vitamin A, which helps reduce liver inflammation and protects cells from damage. Foods rich in beta-carotene include carrots, butternut squash, and dark leafy greens. Adding these foods to your diet can give your liver the boost it needs. Number 2, vitamin C, immune and liver booster. Vitamin C is another antioxidant that plays a major role in liver health. It helps neutralize toxins and repair liver tissue. Found in citrus fruits, bell peppers, and strawberries, vitamin C also supports your immune system, which is essential for overall health. When buying vitamin C supplements, make sure they include bioflavonoids, as nature intended, to enhance absorption. Number 3, vitamin E protects against liver damage. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant. It helps protect liver cells from oxidative stress. This is especially important for people dealing with fatty liver disease. You can find vitamin E in foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach. Adding a handful of almonds or seeds to your meals can support your liver's function. Number 4, B vitamins, detox powerhouses. The B vitamins, particularly B12 and B6, are crucial for energy production and detoxification. B12 helps break down harmful substances like homocysteine, which can damage the liver. You can get these vitamins from eggs, leafy greens, whole grains, and fortified plant-based products. For those on plant-based diets, nutritional yeast and fortified cereals are excellent sources of B12. Number 5, vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, which is essential for bone health, but it's also vital for your liver. Studies show people with liver disease often have low levels of vitamin D. You can boost vitamin D by spending time in the sun or consuming fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified foods. Just 15 to 20 minutes of sun exposure a day can make a difference. Supporting minerals for liver health. In addition to vitamins, your liver also needs minerals like magnesium, zinc, and selenium to function at its best. Magnesium, found in leafy greens and nuts, helps with detoxification. Zinc aids in liver cell repair and is found in pumpkin seeds and chickpeas. Selenium, which you can find in Brazil nuts, boosts the production of glutathione, one of the liver's most important antioxidants. How to get these nutrients? Naturally. To support your liver naturally, focus on a varied diet full of colorful fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and lean proteins. The more vibrant your plate, the more nutrients you're giving your liver to detox and regenerate. As Barbara O'Neill says, let food be your medicine and medicine be your food. Choose whole, organic foods as often as you can. Chris Hemsworth's success story. One famous celebrity who improved their liver health with a nutrient-rich diet is actor Chris Hemsworth. Known for his role as Thor, Hemsworth credits his lean physique and liver health to a diet high in vegetables, fruits, and healthy fats. His nutritionist revealed that Hemsworth eats a plant-based diet during movie preparation. He focuses on liver-boosting foods like leafy greens, almonds, and citrus fruits. This helps him stay in peak condition for his roles. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. It fuels our passion to create more helpful content just for you.